Are you still manually juggling WhatsApp messages just to schedule customer appointments? It slows your team down, it creates confusion, and it costs you opportunities. Welcome to Ownchat, where you turn WhatsApp chaos into instant conversions. WhatsApp flows are interactive, in-chat experiences that allow users to complete structured actions, such as registrations, bookings, feedback, and payments, without leaving WhatsApp. Flows replace long back-and-forth chats with guided screens, improving completion rates, data accuracy, and overall user experience. Ownchat, WhatsApp Flow Builder, is a no-code platform that helps businesses design, launch, and manage WhatsApp flows visually without developers. It supports dynamic forms, validations, API integrations, payments, and workflows, enabling teams to build production-ready WhatsApp experiences faster while strictly following official WhatsApp Cloud API best practices. Let's get started. First, go to the Ownchat website and log in using your email ID and password. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. From the sidebar, click on Flow Builder, then select Create New Flow. In this video, we'll build a site visit booking flow using Ownchat's no-code chatbot and WhatsApp Flow Builder. No coding, no complexity, just a clean automated experience built in minutes. Start by dragging and dropping an image onto the first screen. This creates a strong visual introduction and instantly sets the context. Next, add a text heading to clearly explain what this form is about. It quickly tells users what this step is about. Follow it with a text body, where you can add brief instructions for users. Users know exactly what details are required. Now, let's collect the customer's name. Add a text input field for this. Text input lets users enter their details quickly and easily. After that, request the customer's mobile number. This ensures reliable communication. Next, add a dropdown with images so users can select the property type. Click Data Source to enter the values. Land, house, or apartment. Click Add Image to open the File Explorer and upload a land image. Then click Add New Option, enter house, and upload a house image. Click Add New Option again, enter apartment, and upload an image. Then use another text input to capture the preferred property size. Now, let's create a second screen. Click Create Screen and edit the footer button to seamlessly navigate users to this next step. Then switch over to the second screen. First, add a text input to collect the preferred location. Next comes one of the most important details, the budget. Instead of typing back and forth, add a drop-down menu with options like less than 50 lakhs or above 1 crore. Now add a calendar picker. This allows customers to choose their site visit date directly inside WhatsApp. Then drag the radio button. Want to know whether the property is for investment, personal, or rental use? Add a simple selection field. And don't forget compliance. Include an opt-in checkbox to capture user consent. Finally, rename the footer button to Submit Details and set the action to complete. That's it, your form is ready. Click Build Flow to compile everything you've created. Once it's updated, hit Publish. Now, let's trigger the flow. Go to Bots and create a new bot. Name it Site Visit Booking. Set the trigger keyword and configure the flow to allow a maximum of 3 error attempts. Now, whenever a customer types this keyword, the bot automatically starts the site visit booking flow. Once the lead completes the form, tag the customer as site visit form filled. Send a thank you message confirming the site visit. Then hit Publish. From here, Ownchat takes over automatically. Here's the magic in action. A customer types book site visit. They enter their details, select a budget, choose a visit date, and submit, all without leaving WhatsApp. The bot responds instantly. You get a qualified lead. They get a smooth, guided experience. That's automation, done right. Build smarter, automate faster. Try Ownchat today and modernize the way you communicate with your customers.